everyone, welcome back to this crypto day, to this daily crypto update. I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with Bitcoin, guys. This is Bitcoin on a daily chart. Sorry, on a 1 hour time frame, guys. As you guys can see, Bitcoin, we got hit right here at the point of control of the volume profile. Very interesting key point, it looks like right here. So that would be the 4 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, sorry. So we saw a nice little bounce, of course. We saw a nice little bounce off the point of control. This is the area where there's a lot of demand. A lot of demand around this area. This is the 54,263. So after this rally up right here, we came back down, tested the point of control, and I'm looking for a bounce here actually to 60K. Whoever took profit at 57, which was right here, like I mentioned, that's amazing. I told you guys to take profit at 57K. I said not to not to be greedy, even though I might see 60K, after this bounce, not to be greedy and take profit right here in the last video. I said I also said that if you guys are going for the 60K and you bought at 54, and let's say you want to take 10 points, take 7 points, take 70%, guys. If you're using with leverage, that's amazing. That's 10 times better. Guys, don't be greedy. Do not be greedy. So if you took profit at 57K, even though it peaked to 57.5, it's okay. That's amazing. I took profit. I took profit around 56.5. I took profit around right here, this region. I profit around this region. It did pop a little bit. We saw a little bit of consolidation to the right side. Boom, pop back down. So yeah, that's Bitcoin on the 1 hour chart. Let's take that off. Let's go on to the higher time frames now. First of all, let's go to the 15 minutes. Okay, so this is the 15 minutes. On the short term, it is consolidating a little bit. We do have a bull flag on the 1 hour chart. Something I forgot to mention actually. We do have a bull flag. It's a slight bull flag. If you would go like this, put this down, make like a triangle. We would have some sort of a bull flag. The target would be the blue line essentially. So if you take this, drag it up, bring it right here. This would be our target, 58,000. You could even put it right here. Add support. So the target would be around 59,000. This target has been this area we've been talking about for quite a while now, as you guys can see. I've been saying like this target for quite a while. It meets exactly the previous resistance. So there's a lot of signs saying that we will come back there. I'm pulling another long around. Of course, not financial advice, guys, but I'm gonna be looking to long around this area. I'm gonna wait for a breakout, of course. So guys, wait for the confirmation. Wait for the breakout. Don't get in too early. We could see some more downside action. Let's go to the 4 hour chart real quick. Okay, so this is the 4 hour chart. We got supported right here. We could see some more down action back down to here. Very possible. Not throwing that out of the picture. I just wanna wait for this confirmation of the breakout, of course. We are clearly, guys, in an uptrend. I know the whole market is red. As you guys can see, the whole market is red. We are still in a uptrend. The trend is your friend. Don't try to short things because you want to, and because it's very high. That's really stupid. Something I did mention also is we might form a little double top. So this is sort of a double top. So if we see some strong volume to the downside, then that would be sort of a confirmation of a double top. But I don't really because we're such in a hard bull, bullish, like we are in a bullish market. So I don't see it that it will come back down all the way to, I don't know, 30K within the next few weeks. So yeah, although this is a double top, I still think we're gonna go break to the 60 70 within the next couple of weeks, or next couple of months, sorry, in my opinion. So that's a daily Bitcoin update so far. Let's have a look at the EMA ribbon. As you guys can see, yesterday or 2 days ago, I mentioned that we got rejected off this EMA. Now we're coming back. We're retesting again. This is the EMA that we're retesting again. So this is a 20 exponential moving average, the yellow line. So we might reach there and have a little bounce. But as you guys can see, there's some space between this and this. So we could see a strong strong bullish uptrend in next couple of days, weeks, months, in my opinion, on the 4 hour time frame. So this is so that's that. Let's look at the daily. Let's look at the daily, guys. The daily is still very strong, guys. We're still in a bull market. In my opinion, until we break this level, we are still in a bull market. So, a lot of people say, oh, this is the all-time high. It's over. No, guys, it's not over. Stop panicking. Until we break this, we are not. Bull market still in. You could obviously take profit and accumulate more. It is up to you. Another thing, let's have a look at EOS. I know you guys mentioned that you guys wanted to have a look at EOS in the comments below. This is EOS. EOS is coming back down into the EMA ribbons. This is on the daily time frame. We saw a breakout 2 days ago. That was a failed breakout. It looks like it came back down. A fake out. You would essentially call that a fake out. So yeah, it got faked out. Right here, guys, it faked back to the bottom, back up. We're being supported right now by the exponential moving average on the 55. Let's have a look at the 200 moving average. Moving average, guys, how you put moving average? You'll go to moving average 200. And 200 is one of the most powerful one in my opinion. So we are well below that. It's not a good sign. As you guys can see, yesterday we got rejected by the 200 moving average, guys. Look at that. That's that's not bad. That's not good news, guys. We could see something like this on the moving average, and it could be trending. Sorry, could be trending to the downside. So that's not a good sign, guys. That rejection is not a good sign, because if you put this to other coins, let's say Ethereum, it's on the bottom. We broke out. We broke out, guys. So I know a lot of people say, "Oh, it's gonna go up because Bitcoin goes up." No, guys. This is Ethereum. Example, it's an altcoin. Okay, it broke out, came back down. It's probably gonna retest this, go back up. Let's go on Link. Link also, it's retesting the 200 moving average. Um, XTZ also, AVAX. You see AVAX are rejected by 200 moving average. It's probably going to make another test. So if we go back to EOS on the 4 hour, it got hella rejected, came back down. Now, can we see EOS is at 3.86? Can we see it fall down? It keeps getting rejected, although we are in a ascending triangle, actually. Actually, something good I see is we're in an ascending triangle, and it got faked out. So this was ascending triangle. It came pop back up, got faked out, came back down to the triangle. Now it's being supported by the trend line. Can we what will be the future for EOS? Is EOS over? Is it done? Is it gonna crash? Like I've been saying in the past, like I said last week. I said if it doesn't break above that properly, that four it was at 4 level. If it doesn't break above the 4 level, which is right here, then we would see another crash. And as you guys can see, it made a failed breakout. And I did close. I don't have EOS. I don't have EOS. I'm not holding EOS. This was a big indicator right here. Right here was a big indicator that we could see EOS make big moves up, but it looks like EOS doesn't want to break out. People are losing hope on EOS. So yeah, guys, it's going to be interesting to see what happens here, especially with this 200 moving average. That's a long-term indicator in my opinion. As you guys can see right here, we were well above it right here, well above, well above, well above. Boom, came back down, got rejected, came back down, got rejected a second time, up, and then down. We broke it like butter, and now we're being now the 200 EMA average is being it's an indicator as resistance essentially. And if EOS doesn't break out of it very soon, that's bad. And the moving average can do something like that, and EOS could do something like this, and that's not good. Not good. So yeah, we went over EOS, guys. We went over XTZ. Um, this is XTZ. I could see XTZ. Yeah, XTZ is being so wow. This is AVAX. Sorry, XTZ is right here, guys. We got rejected right here by the support. So if you guys took a long right here, that's pretty good. You actually not financial advice, of course. You guys could take a long right here on XTZ. Just manage your leverage, stop loss. I would put a stop loss probably around right here, in my opinion. So depending how much leverage you're using, that's on you. I'm not telling you how much leverage to use, of course. That would be a 7% loss, which is decent. In my opinion, we could go back to the all-time highs. So that would be a a 43% gain. So, you know, if you want to calculate your risk ratio, you could do that. And then where I put a stop loss like this, your risk reward was set to be 4, which is amazing. So so that's that. So we got a pretty red market, guys. Overall, the market's pretty red. You know, being followed by Bitcoin. Um, I'm expecting a bounce on Bitcoin. Ethereum is looking very bullish as well, very bullish. Ethereum, this is an exponential moving average. We broke well above that. I think we could see a break to Ethereum very soon, in my opinion. And altcoins will follow eventually. We got Link down below the EMA, not a good sign. AVAX is popping today. It did that whole 30% 2 days ago, and now it's exploding essentially. And that's it, guys. This is the daily Bitcoin update. If you guys have any, questions, write in the comment. Please, give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.